So I'm going to talk about scalable infrastructure access management. Yeah, geez. Yeah, okay. So my name is Debarshi. I'm co-founder of Adaptive.life. As part of building Adaptive, actually talked to over 100 organizations across the world. And there are two kinds of organizations, essentially, that we ended up identifying in this spectrum of organizations. Yeah, so there are, at one spectrum, you have companies who have accepted risk. So they share credentials on Slack, or they expose their infrastructure over public internet. On the other side, you have defensive organizations who follow security-first principles. So one of the key driving factors for security-first organizations is compliance, or they are systematically important organizations. There are four pillars, controls that they have to take care of, which is security, security, process integrity, and confidentiality. As part of that, you have to secure your infrastructure. So this is a typical way you create an infrastructure security, right? So you have a bastion host, you actually pass through this. These this model has issues. Basically, bastions are a single point of failure. They open up a lot of issues. So we ended up replacing bastions with access clusters, which could be in any Kubernetes or ECS orchestration thing. But one of the key things that we ended up doing is, instead of creating bastion hosts, you have an ephemeral bastion containers that are protocol aware. So you can actually connect to databases. Let's say if you have Postgres, it would proxy Postgres connections, but you have a client-facing credentials are intermittent, whereas the server-facing credentials are more persistent. So in this way, you can actually have a lot of these just-in-time access. You can build a lot of request approval workflows, and essentially, you can do a lot of stuff. Yeah.